Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy.
Yeah, today in this video we'll try to find various optional features on Windows laptop or computer. See, this is on my Windows 11. So you can open these features, optional features on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Both I'll tell you. On your Windows 11 laptop, click on this Windows logo so that you will get this settings option. You need to double click on this so that the settings options will open. Yeah, see here, previously the option used to be available at apps here. That's the reason many comments I have received something like this optional feature is missing from my laptop or from my Windows. So for those who all commented like this tutorial will be helpful. Actually, this optional features has moved from apps to system here. Click on the system here and you need to scroll to the bottom. Okay, scroll to the bottom until you see here, this is the optional features. This is most probably used to uninstall a added feature or reinstall it. For example, this I came across to uninstall Windows Media Player. Actually, this I has to uninstall and reinstall. So I removed and from view features and I add it again. So your requirement may be something else. You may be looking for this optional feature for to uninstall or reinstall for whatever the purpose may be. If you don't find the option here, it is not actually missing, but it is available here. And one more way you can open this optional features. I'll tell you that one also. So on your Windows, just press Windows logo key, press R to run the run command. And here you can search something as optional features and click on OK. No space, okay? No space. So this will open Windows features. See here. All these Windows features will be available here. So this is how you can open. Through the UI you can open, or through the shortcut also you can open. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.